Okay, so I wanted to show you how to install this by taking off this knob. It's very simple. The instructions are right on the back, if you can read that there. Yeah. So it says to remove timer knob, push knob in, pull black tab out, and remove knob. So this is the black knob that they're talking about, or the black tab, sorry, that they're talking about. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to, if it's pulled out like that, you need to push it in, right? And now you simply take something like a screwdriver and you pull it out. You have to push it in all the way first, and then you take the knob and pull it out. And now the knob comes out. And then you can put the black knob back in, and then when you install it, right, the board that it goes on is going to go over top like that, and then you are going to put it back together again, very simply. Okay, so you make sure that it lines up properly. It's very simple. Alright, so it's lined up there, and then as you can see, the shape in there is going to match the shape of that. Okay. And now it's back together again. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. If you have any questions or if you have any issues with that, please feel free to send me a message. Okay? So, again, you simply push it in all the way. Use something like a screwdriver to pry the knob out. Once it's out a little bit like that, it allows you to take it off, take it apart, and install it. Okay, that's it.